Encountering issues with Zoom freezing on your Windows 11 or 10? No worries. In this quick and easy tutorial, we will walk you through simple steps to fix Zoom not responding problems. From troubleshooting to practical solutions, get your virtual meetings back on track swiftly. Don't let technical glitches disrupt your video calls. Watch, follow along, and ensure a smooth Zoom experience. Like, subscribe, and share with others who might find this fix helpful. To fix Zoom not responding on Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Close and reopen the Zoom application. Step 2. Restart your computer to refresh system processes. Step 3. Ensure Zoom is up to date by checking for updates in the Zoom client settings. Step 4. Disable unnecessary background applications that might interfere with Zoom. Step 5. Run Zoom as an administrator. Right-click on the Zoom shortcut. Select Run as Administrator. Step 6. Check for Windows updates and install any pending updates. Step 7. Uninstall and reinstall the Zoom application. Step 8. If the issue persists, consider updating or reinstalling your graphics drivers. Step 9. Disable hardware acceleration in Zoom settings. Settings, then video, then hardware acceleration. Step 10. Try using the web version of Zoom in a browser as an alternative. Note: always ensure that your computer and Zoom application are using the latest version for optimal performance.